Straight down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Case is split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, next is to remove the gear change lever. The pedal was already taken off the other side, so this will slide straight out. And then I don't think I'll need to take any of these apart because the gearbox I'm going to leave in there. Hopefully I can just take it apart without disassembling anything more. So I'll check the book and get right back.